doing a vlog. Today we're going to be looking at animals. Let's go. Right over there. Fabulous. Mind if I'm talking to my phone a lot because I'm actually vlogging this. Look at it. Look at it. Beep. Hey! Don't! Look at him. Look at him. I'm not taking photographs.
Yeah, it's a video.
She's putting it on YouTube probably.
She's putting it up on YouTube.
No, I can actually see them.
Yeah, she's got a fairly decent...
Oh!
They don't like you, Mother.
That was awesome!
Well, think what you will. They all know the truth, don't you, birdies?
Look at him. They're so cute. Awesome. They're cute. Birdie, look at the camera. You're gonna look at the camera, Birdie.
Yeah, they sound like...
There we go. Look at it. Look at that fabulous face. It's fabulous. Oh, the yellow ones. The big yellow ones.
And the yellow and grey ones.
Okay. Is those robins?
No, they're zebra finches, darling.
Zebra finches.
Look at the tail.
You see them? Look at them.
Look at the tail.
Look at 'em.
You can tell they're zebra finches. Zebra finches.
Well, I don't know my birds, so I'm not.
One of them's been making a nest.
Ooh, zebra finch nest. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Cool.
Look at that.
Hello, birdies.
Look at that one. He's white.
Poke it.
Look at him.
I really want to poke it.
You're not poking the birds.
I want to poke it with a stick.
I'll poke you with a bloody stick in a minute.
What?
And David's stick, probably.
And this is in a park. This is in a park,
I think
not
those
a
birds are
zoo.
friends. I've got a lazy bird.
Oh, look. I'm gonna show. They're friends.
Hi.
Can you see them? They're friends. Oh, he left. Why is there a ladybird here? Look at him. No. Get ready to flick the ladybird.